Welcome. We will learn about animal sounds. Can we start? Are you ready? Let's go. What the cow says. Yes, you are great, the cow says.
What the pig says. Well done. Pig says. What the sheep says.
Bah,
Awesome. Sheep says.
bah, bah.
What the horse says. Yes, you are right, the horse says. What the duck says. You're so smart, the duck says. What the rooster says. Superb, the rooster says. What the cat says. You've got this, the cat says. What the dog says. Nice going. The dog says. Well done,